Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you. Oh, they have tour bus also. Good morning. Oh, this is Guy the Best Western. Okay. And this is the swimming pool. It's store for the outside of the Best Western. So this is the swimming pool. Very nice area. So this is included to the Aluna Bar Lounge. Alone bar house. That is their bar that you have downstairs. So this is their pool. So their pool is so long. This is too long, guys. You have a big lounge for bar. This is Best Western. It's very nice here. Very nice ambience. So that is, they have a bar or live band and the evening 7 p.m. and then the weather today in Bohol, Pangnao is very nice. So decline. This is their live band and this is their downstairs. Their play. Then this, yeah, until there. Yeah. It's playground of the little kids. If you have kids, so it's good for here. And then that is, they have also room there. And then this is the buffet. Yeah. And that is under there. So this is the buffet. Buffet here. Like that. Doing there. You have a big buffet.
Good morning.
So this is the big buffet, guys. So you can eat outside if you want to eat outside. So, and then you can smell the breeze air here, very fresh air. So this is their. So it's very sunny, really. You can sunbathe. And then this is their bar. It's very nice in the evening also. So this is it, guys. So very big. Kanilang. So this is the Best Western, guys. Meron na ako. So this is very wavy. So this view of Best Western outside. They are very near to the beach. So this is guys, thanks for watching the vlog.